Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to talk about something that seems simple but can truly change the course of our life. The power of small steps. We often dream big, and that's good. We imagine becoming successful, reaching the top of our careers, traveling the world, or making a positive impact on others. But there is the problem. When the dream is so big, it can feel so far away. Sometimes we don't even start because the distance between where we are now and where we want to be seems impossible to cross. But there is the truth. Every great achievement in history starts with a small step. Think about it. Thomas Edison didn't just wake up one day and invent the light bulb. He fell thousands of times, but each small attempt taught him something. Each experiment brought him closer to success. Without those small steps, there would be no light in this very room today. Or take J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter. Before her books became a global phenomenon, she was single mother, so struggling to pay rent. She didn't write all 7 books in a week. She wrote one page, then another. Uh, Eventually, the page became a chapter, and the chapter became story that inspired millions. The problem is underestimate small action because they don't bring instant result. We want big change now, but life doesn't work like that. Success, grow, and even happiness, they are built slowly, and others. Let me share a personal example. When I first started learning English, I felt overwhelmed. The grammar rules, the vocabulary, the pronunciation, Let me share a personal example. When I first started learning English, I felt overwhelmed. The grammar rules, the vocabulary, the pronunciation, it all felt too much. But instead of giving up, I decided to learn just 5 new words every day. 5 words didn't feel like much, but after a month, I knew 150 new words. After a year, over 1,008 words. That's the power of a small step. 100 eh yeah, I get 180,000 words a year. Yeah, the same principle works in every area of life. Want to get healthier? Start with a 10 minutes walk every morning. Want to save money? Start by putting aside a small amount each week. Want to improve your skill? Practice for just 15 minutes a day. It's not the size of the step that matters. If the consistency, a drop of water may seem powerless, but when it falls on rock for years, it can carve a path through solid stone. Now I know what some of you are checking that if I fail, well, let me tell you something. You will fail, and that's perfectly fine. Failure is not opposite of success. It's part of the journey to success. Every failure teaches you something valuable. The only real failure is stopping altogether. So here, my challenge to you today: choose one dream you have been putting off because it failed too big. Then break down into the smallest possible step you can take today. Something so small you can find an excuse not to do it. Do that small step tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that. Months from now, you will look back and realize you made more progress than you thought possible. And when that happens, you will understand what I mean when I say small step led to big change. In closing, remember this: you don't have to climb the whole mountain today. Just take the first step, then take another. Keep moving forward, even it's slow, because progress, no matter how small, it's still progress. And day you will stand at the top, look down at the path you have taken, and realize that every small step was worth it. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.